everyone, welcome back to GenAI Study Jams. In this session, we are going to perform prompt design in Vertex AI Challenge Lab. So, in this Challenge Lab, you will be tested with the skills that you learned from the previous 3 labs. That means the step-by-step instructions will not be given here. You need to perform on your own. So, let's start. Click on Start Lab and complete the sign-up process. So once you are getting into the Google Cloud Console, let's move on to the task 1. Just right click on the image and save in your local device. Right click and click on save image as and download the image. So after saving, here you can see you need to use Vertex AI Studio multimodal interface. So in the Vertex AI, click on multimodal here. So here under prompt design, click on open. Now you need to insert the media. So click on this insert media upload from computer option and select the image that you have downloaded before. And now you can give whatever prompt you need. I'm just giving what is this image and click on submit. Once you get the response, you can save the prompt. So before that, they have given a prompt name. You can view here under 5th point, copy this prompt name, and here under untitled prompt, remove and paste it. So after performing all the steps, just click on save, and also please verify the region. Here they mention US Central 1, so verify that and click on save. So once the prompt is saved, you just come back and click on check my progress. So task 1 is completed. Now we will move on to the task 2. In the task 2, they mentioned to use Vertex AI language interface. So just click on language, and in the language they use it to they ask you to design a structured prompt. So the structured prompt will be available in the generate text field. Just click on text prompt here and change this option to structured. And now they have given some content here. You can copy this one and paste in the context field. Also, a care should be taken that you should change the model to Gemini Pro. You can change to any of the Gemini Pro model. I'm just keeping this one. And now in the examples field, they ask you to include 2 examples. For demonstration purpose, I am taking the same example again. You can try with different examples as well. Let me copy the output also. Copy the output and paste in the output field. And now under the test, you can test with any other prompts. I am taking the same here also. You can try with different one. So once you receive the response, you need to rename the prompt. The prompt name is given here. You can copy this one, and now you can paste here. And once all the steps done, when you get the response, just click on the save. Once check the region, it is US Central 1, so I kept the same, and click on save. So once the prompt was saved, you will get a message like prompt was saved, and then go back here and just click on check my progress. So the task 2 has been completed. Now let's move on to the task 3. In the task 3, they mentioned to work with the workbench. So in the Vertex AI Studio, just click on workbench, and in the workbench on the instances page, you need to open the Jupyter lab. So we are on the instances page and we need to open the Jupyter lab. Just click on open Jupyter lab. It will take few seconds to reload. So once this page has opened, you need to create a new notebook with a file name imageanalysis.ipynb. So I'm copying the file name here. You need to create a new one. In the previous labs, the notebook will be given to you, but now we need to create a new notebook. So now under notebook, just click on this Python. A new IPYNB file will be created, and now you need to rename this. So just right click here and click on rename and paste the file name here, and check the spaces also, and file has been saved correctly. And once you rename the file, go back here and you need to get the code. So for that we need to go back to the multimodal prompt that we saved before. So under multimodal, under my prompts, previously we have created this Kimball product analysis, right? So click on that one. Under my prompts it will be visible. Once you click on multimodal, click on my prompts, and the prompt you have saved will be visible there. Just click on that. Yes, this is the prompt that we have created before. So now just click on this get code option, and under get code here you can see you need to select the Python, and now copy this second code. You don't need to install the dependencies. You just click on this copy icon of the second one. Just click on copy. When the code copied, you just paste it here. So once the code is pasted, check what they asked you to do. So first just run this cell, click on shift enter, or you can also use this run option. You will get a response like this, and the prompt is given here. You can see what is this image. That's what we have tried here, right? You can see at the first task. So now in this task what we need to do was, we need to change a prompt so that the output should be less than 10 words. So what we can do, you can do whatever prompt you can give. So now I am trying this as what is this image about? Just give me the output in less than 10 words. You can try with different prompts as well, and then just run the cell. And now you can see the output has been given in less than 10 words. So now you have completed this one. Just click on check my progress. Yes, and if anyone facing issue here, don't forget, sometimes you need to click Ctrl S as well. So just try with that option if it doesn't work, or else refresh this page and again try, click on check my progress. And yes, try with this Ctrl S option as well, or click on this save icon after you've done all these things, and then click on check my progress, or else refresh this page and again click on check my progress. And let's move on to the task 4 now. Again we need to create a new notebook with the name tagline generator. So copy this name, and to create a new notebook, just right click here, click on new notebook, and we need to rename it, right? Yes, just click on select here. You need to rename, right? So just right click here, and again the same process, rename, paste the name here. And once you have renamed the file, go back, copy the code they have given here. Before we have worked with the multimodal, right? And in the task 4 we are working with the language prompt that we have created before. So they have given the code, so copy this one. You can get the same in the get code option in the language interface, where we have created a prompt in the second task. So there we are given some examples, right? So let's move on to that. Click on language, In the language, under my prompts, yes, you can see this tagline generator one. This is the word we have created in the language prompt. So once it opened, you need to paste the examples. Here I am just taking 2 examples only. You can also do whatever you want. You can give multiple cases as well. Just copy sample input. Both I am taking the same. You can try with different as well. You will get the relevant results. Just paste and again paste it. So once it's done, yes, you can see that model is already in Gemini Pro. Once you're done, just click on Shift Enter or use this option to run the cell. You will get some output. So once the output is generated, go back and then click on Check My Progress. Yes, because we need to include a word nature. In the previous one, there is a task to limit the response to less than 10 words, right? And now in this case, we need to use a keyword nature in the input. So in the last input, they ask you to modify the last input. Under the last input, we need to specify a keyword nature. So let's see how we can do this. In the last input, this is the first one, this is second, this is the last one I have taken. Under the input one, I am removing the entire thing and I am giving some prompt which includes a nature word. So write about nature. You can try with different examples. So I have modified the last prompt and then run the cell again. So once you have done, don't forget to save. Sometimes it may automatically save, but sometimes the progress will not be updated. So once try with the Ctrl S or just save the prompt. So once you have included the nature keyword and got the response, just try, click on Check My Progress. Yes, you can see the task 4 has been completed. And now click on this and verify whether you received all 100 points or not. So once you received all 100 points, you can verify here and then click on End Lab. Give some rating and click on Submit.